Hello and a warm welcome to Architecture Informal. I am Architect Saili and today I am going to give the guidelines for last minute preparation for GATE examination. I know most of you have studied sincerely for a long time for GATE examination. Now, at the peak hour, I am going to give you the perks of tips to rock the examination. GATE is conducted for many streams of engineering and technology. Please note your application and check it on your admit card too. A printed copy of your admit card along with your identification proof should be ready prior 1 week of your examination. Practice the mock tests, but don't lose your confidence by analyzing their scores. They are not the final ones. You have to be confident on what you have studied. This is the revision time. Don't start learning new topics now. Revise and practice as much as you can do. You have to be adequately comfortable with virtual scientific calculator up to this time. The physical calculator, tables, sheets are not allowed in the examination center. So, try to practice this. As the exam time comes closer, our eyes open wider. We start to feel that we haven't done enough, this much study can't rescue our test, and so on. What I can suggest is you cannot change the situation overnight. You can face the situation in positive attitude. You can do better with a stable mind. Eat well, stay hydrated, but most importantly, get a good sleep. If you don't sleep well, you will feel drowsy and that is dangerous. You have to feel alive and fresh in the examination. You should report early at your examination venue, at least an hour before the examination. You should bring very few things in the examination hall. That can be pen, pencil, water bottle, handkerchief, face mask, hand sanitizer, admit card, and don't forget the identity proof. That is it. Don't be anxious. If you have studied well, don't be scared. Get relaxed and get ready to your exam. While getting ready, wear comfortable clothes and be sober. You are not allowed to leave the examination hall before the end of exam. So all the nature calls should be done before entering examination hall. Scribble pad provided in the examination should be used properly at times, but don't waste time to solve every question in scribble pad. Ultimately, it will not give any scores. Only your answers on computer screens will do. Be concerned about time. Try to answer quickly. But remember, there is negative marking in the GATE examination. So answer only the questions that you are sure about. So these were the guidelines and tips from me. I hope you will do great in your GATE examination. All the best.